Well guys, we're here in Legend Siam, and there looks to be like some big discounts here, 790 to 199 baht. Now how amazing is that? Maybe because there's no visitors. Swadee Kap. Samai Mai. I've been very honest, this place was a nightmare to find this morning. The GPS kept on sending me round and round in circles. Was not overly impressed at all. This is one of the newest tourist attractions here in Pattaya, or on the outskirts of Pattaya. It'll probably take you about 25 minutes from Jomtien. Ladies' favourite, many handbags. Swadee Kap. Samai Mai. Good. Well, people look very friendly. And sound very friendly as well, and just have a look at the map here and see where we can go. Well, we got Legend River Bar, can read that in English, theme park, I'm here, which is a good sign, Legend Cafe. So I think later we'll just walk and see where the legs take us. No set route plan, so we'll play it by ear. Lots of stuff for sale, as one would expect here. I have seen some very good reviews on this place, guys, so it should be more than a little bit interesting. So I think enough of these shops, guys. We'll head off outside and see what we can find. Swadee Kap. Well, there looks to be some very interesting buildings here. I don't know what's inside them all, but even for the latest tourist attraction, it looks like they have some of the finest herbs here. How unusual. Reminds me of my time in Jamaica when I used to walk along the beach at Montego Bay and Negril, and I was always asked if I would like to buy some of the finest herbs on the island. (2018) Legend Siam. It is relatively new. It isn't been finished that long ago. I'm very quiet today. I haven't seen any tourists come here. A little bit about Siam Village. Little bit of information should you be interested. I believe in the shop here on the right hand side that there is quite a unique history of the production of the world's finest herbs, but today I'm not really interested in it. I'm trying to find something interesting to show my subscribers, so that will carry on the walk without actually going in there. Well, to be very honest guys, I've had a walk around here and I've cut this video. To be very honest, there is many shops and outlets here, but there's nothing really important for me to see, and to be honest, there's nothing here that rocks my boat. So rather than waste your time and my time, what I'm going to do is turn around, go back and see if we can explore the other end of the park, and we'll find something more interesting for you. So please bear with me guys. Nice, quite a modern tuk-tuk there. Nothing spectacular. You'll still see them knocking around Bangkok in places. I remember when I first came to Bangkok there was nothing else but tuk-tuks, and it was a novelty to get a modern taxi, and how times have changed. Everybody wants to ride the tuk-tuk, but they're unmetered and tend to be a lot more expensive. Magnificent elephant there. To be honest, I looked at the map, I don't really know what to expect here, but I'm sure we'll find something interesting for you guys. So there we have another map of the different areas. You have the Erawan, the Belize, Barn Maynak. That's quite interesting. That's from one of the famous Wats near Ekamai, I believe, in Bangkok. One of the ghost stories from the local temples. Legend Siam, Carousel, Ferris wheel, Vikings. Right, let's carry on guys and have a look, see what we can discover. Well guys, it's getting hot and sticky, so I thought I'll take the plunge and hire this little golf buggy to go around and do a little bit more exploring. I don't envisage myself being very happy to walk all the way around here, but so far so good. In front of us it looks like the beginnings of a temple or a temple stupa, so with a bit of luck there might be something a little bit more interesting up here. A little bit more of an activity up here. People appear to be out and eating, and in front of us there looks a nice little temple, so we'll go and explore that a little bit and then have a walk around the immediate area. And I've noticed straight away that in front of us there appears to be an old-fashioned barber shop, but don't need a haircut today, so won't be going in there. And at this end of the complex is another signboard, and appears to be a little bit more of an attraction for visitors. But firstly, before we start exploring that area and the area around the big wheel there, we'll take a quick look into the temple and see what it's got to offer us. A little bit of information about the temple there that you can take 5 minutes out to read up on. And as with all temples in Thailand, or most of them, time to take off the shoes and go and have a look inside. People say that every temple you have to take your shoes off, but actually some of the temples you actually can keep your shoes on. There's nobody assigned to tell you. Swaddy Cup. Few old buggies here, and even have a Muay Thai boxing stadium here, which I really didn't expect to see. Well guys, sadly I think I'm going to give this place a miss. I'm not seeing anything really exciting that rocks my boat, and with the problems with the GoPro switching on and off, it's not making it a very pleasant experience, to be honest. So we'll head back, find the golf buggy, and see if we can find somewhere else to have a look at. So there's another little place that I found on the way back. This is the Legend River Bar. As I said guys, seems very commercial and more interested in retail than showing tourist attractions, to be very honest. I mean, that's my personal opinion. You may come and feel completely different about it, but this place is certainly not something that would rock my boat to any degree. Well, on the way back we have found something a little bit more interesting. Seems to be a few shops here, again a bit more commercialised. I think this is the restaurant area where we saw all the people eating. So let's have a walk in and see what's here. I was actually on my way back to hand in the golf buggy. I think it was pretty much a waste of time. Swaddy cap. Again, another part of the Legend Siam, which is highly commercialised. It's more of a shopping venue than anything, to be honest. So guys, that concludes our little walk around this other part of the retail units. It is what it is. It's horses for courses, and for me, not really my scene, but for those of you out there, it might be something that you would really enjoy. So with that, I'll leave you to make your own minds up, and hopefully I'll catch you on the next one. So take care of yourselves, my friends. Bye bye. Swaddy cap. How are you? Sit back down.